Welcome to this quick guide on using the T-System Clean Cleaning Tablet with your T-Top system. First, empty the chamber by removing all trays and the tray holder. Go to the Programs menu on the touch screen and select the System Clean option for a deep clean. Open the clean water tank, remove the filter, and place the T-System Clean tablet inside. Replace the filter and close the lid securely. Close the door and press the Start button to initiate cleaning. The cleaning magic begins now. After the cycle finishes, confirm the prompt on the display to start the cleaning completion steps. Empty and refill both water tanks. Wipe the internal chamber walls. Place an empty tray in the chamber and run a new cycle to remove any chemical residue. With these easy steps, your T-Top system is now clean, fresh, and ready to perform at its best. Remember, regular cleaning with the T-System Clean tablet is key to maintaining your system's efficiency and longevity. Keep your T-Top system in peak condition, and it will take care of the rest. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.